Out with Rockito.
Yo, I love spreading happiness.
Moo Moo, how are you? Yeah, no consistency, you legend, thank you. Lily's sniffing for poop. Don't do it, Bab. Please. Come on. Dudes, I'm not even joking. That sheep is trying to attack those. There's some geese. Look at this shit. That sheep's trying to attack the geese. The fuck? Look, it's gonna headbutt him. Yes, Royal Rumble. I'm glad Lily can't see this. She'd be thinking of getting involved. Look at this sheep. Here we go. That one with black face looks pretty hard.
Spreading.
So what berries are these then?
Hey.
Squealing down there as well. Can you hear the screeching? Lils, you better not be looking for shit. Dude, mate, I've no idea what's going on with all this craziness on the Lils is off to Bronte Waterfalls. That one was sweet. Look at this new. So this is like I keep. So new. This is Emily and Charlotte Bronte's mod. Is this? So this is where they wrote Wuthering Heights. Come on, Lil, stop. Oh God, it just has to be shit all the time. Right, I think they're ducks. Right, there we go. Sunset.
You on the path of righteousness.
Merch, like we said before, it's AudreyandBella.com.
They have a ton of talons I need to get rid of.
I don't need it. If you want to donate it, you can, but I don't need
JRG.
Are actually aligned in the stars. See, this all
Jacksonville.
When you confess
Look at the size of her. Can you see, Lil? You're a legend, Lils. Whoop whoop. Honestly, there's So, did you hear the gangster just drive past in wop 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 car? You just said, like I said, I'm in middle of Bronte country and cars past. Alright, brother! Lils, we're watching the sunset, Babs. Do you want to see? Is that what's up? Are you wanting to see? Those sheep up for out, aren't they?
Change, bro. Change, bro. Yo, assets, please. Yo.
Listen, right, school.